Did you know the need for substance abuse counselors is growing faster than most other occupations in the U.S.? The Department of Labor projects a 23% growth rate between 2016 and 2026. This is because more people are seeking addiction counseling services, and the justice system provides addiction counseling as an option to jail time. Needless to say, now is a good time to pursue a career in substance abuse counseling. So let's take a look at the CCAPP certification requirements. Job synopsis. Where do substance abuse counselors work? Many are employed in prisons, drug rehabilitation centers, and residential treatment facilities. They also work in private practice. The job is to help people with substance abuse and addiction problems using counseling and treatment options. A substance abuse counselor helps the patient change patterns of behavior. They teach coping strategies and life skills that aid in recovery. The patient and counselor can experience major stress and strong emotions. A successful counselor must be compassionate, empathetic, patient, a great listener, and have great speaking skills. Job requirements. In some situations, a treatment program may consider employing those who have past experience with addiction as a benefit. That's because first-hand experience gives counselors advanced understanding and empathy. In programs based on Alcoholics Anonymous or Narcotics Anonymous, many counselors are addicts in recovery, or they have personal experience dealing with someone else's addiction, such as a family member or a close friend. The job requirements depend on the treatment program and agency in charge. In California, a high school diploma and an approved college certificate program are the only requirements to apply for certification. In other states, a counselor needs a bachelor's or master's degree. Education requirements. After receiving your high school diploma, you can enroll in a degree training program or certificate program at a college. How much education you'll need depends on the state you'll work in. Counselors with a bachelor's or master's degree may need additional training to meet certification requirements. Requirements for counselors not in private practice also vary state to state. So check with the state licensing board in the state where you want to work to see requirements. In California, your CCAPP approved certificate program will teach you skills revolving around counseling, ethics, crisis response, and patient privacy and confidentiality. Training includes a clinical internship component, and the hours you accumulate will apply to the required hours you will need for CCAPP certification. CCAPP accredited educational programs. The California Department of Healthcare Services recognizes the California Consortium of Addiction Programs and Professionals, CCAPP, as a certifying organization. CCAPP can register and certify alcohol and drug counselors in California. It's the largest consortium of community-based treatment agencies and professionals in the state. After graduating from a CCAPP-approved program, your accumulation of work experience and testing will move you to different levels of certification by CCAPP. These residential, outpatient, and private services help over 100,000 California residents annually. The consortium includes both for-profit and non-profit service providers. What to expect? The InterCoast Alcohol and Drug Counseling Studies curriculum has been reviewed and approved by CCAPP. InterCoast also has an Associate of Applied Science degree in Substance Use Disorder Counseling that is accredited and also approved by CCAPP. Graduates from CCAPP-approved programs are ready to serve the community. Professionals in the alcohol and drug counseling field are dependable, positive, optimistic people. It's a community of empathetic, focused professionals. They're determined to help clients meet their goals. An accredited program gives students the importance of ethics and professionalism. It provides hands-on techniques and skills needed to perform well. Students learn and practice skills that serve them in many areas of alcohol and drug abuse counseling through the clinical internship experience, which is part of the curriculum. Consider InterCoast if you want to help people with drug and alcohol addictions. You can make the world a better place as an alcohol and drug counselor, helping those suffering from addiction. Visit our site today to learn more about the CCAPP approved programs we offer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.